Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious white sauce for loaded fries. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1½ cups of cold milk. Also, have your favorite seasonings ready, like salt, pepper, and perhaps a little garlic powder. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk on hand for smooth preparation. Now, let's begin by making the roux, which is the base of our creamy sauce. Place your medium saucepan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a light golden paste, ensuring a smooth and flaky. Universal Audio's 1176 emulations are praised for their unparalleled fidelity and authentic recreation of the original hardware. With various revisions available, such as the Rev A Blue Stripe and Rev E Blackface, you can explore a spectrum of subtle sonic characteristics. The UAD 1176 excels at adding a polished sheen and harmonic depth, making it a go-to for detailed vocal work, vibrant guitars, and even providing a cohesive glue across a mix. Finally, let's season our white sauce to perfection. Stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of black pepper. For an extra layer of deliciousness, consider adding a dash of garlic powder or onion powder. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Once it's perfectly seasoned and warm, generously pour this rich, creamy white sauce over your crispy loaded fries and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.